Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on Xbox. Unfortunately, Clash Royale is a mobile-exclusive game, meaning it's built specifically for smartphones and tablets. Xbox consoles, on the other hand, are designed for console games and do not natively support mobile applications. This means you cannot directly download or install Clash Royale onto your Xbox console as you would a regular Xbox game. One potential workaround involves screen mirroring. You could cast your phone's screen to a smart TV, and if your Xbox is connected to that TV, you'd see it there. Alternatively, some Xbox apps might allow you to share your PC screen, which could display your phone's mirrored content. However, remember that this only shows the game. You'll still need to use your mobile device for actual gameplay and controls. Another method involves using an Android emulator on a personal computer. You can install an emulator, like BlueStacks or Nox Player, on your PC, and then download and play Clash Royale within that emulator. Once the game is running on your computer, you can then stream your PC's display to your Xbox console using features like the Xbox Console Companion app or other streaming software. This allows you to view the game on your TV through the Xbox. To summarize, while there isn't a direct way to play Clash Royale natively on an Xbox console, the workarounds discussed can help you view the game on your TV through your Xbox. However, for the best and most authentic gameplay experience, playing Clash Royale directly on your mobile device remains the optimal choice. It's designed for touch controls and offers the full, intended experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.